Stephanie, as you just heard there, not a big fan of my football face. I'm not a big fan of my face in general, but the football face disgusts her a little bit more than any other facial expression I have. I am so fired up.
Visiting a satellite camp anytime soon?
No.
Okay.
I've been waking up every day this week at 3 a.m. Every day. Every day I wake up, I spring up like I'm just ready to go play a game. And I can't go back to bed. So I'm getting like 4 hours of sleep. I feel charged though. I feel good. I feel refreshed. It's football week. But I immediately
my
I
load
wake up
just
at 3
shifted.
and I'll like go right to ESPNU and I'll see what's happening. Okay, I've already seen the ACC preview.
Yeah, I
So
got
let me
you on
try
video.
SEC
Bubba.
Network.